welcome back to our channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa mga feedback and appreciation nyo last vlog natin, which is paano ba maging Mr. Right and Miss Right. And I believe na sobrang na-appreciate nyong lahat, yung mga nag-chat sa akin, na nag-take down notes at mga nagsabi nila noted pat, ongoing, gagawin nila. Sobrang nakakatuwa na mga simpleng bagay ay nagbibigay pala ng bigger impact para sa ating mga minamahal, no? Yung Mr. Right natin and yung ating future Miss Right. But today's vlog, sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi I'm expecting it kasi next week pa siya dapat darating. Pero sobrang na-shock ako na, hala, ito na pala, meron na palang, may package na palang dumating. And thank you so much to our anonymous sponsor. May pabanggit yung pangalan niya, guys, because he believes, lalaki siya, okay? He believes that yung pagbibigay in secret is a blessing na hindi na dapat sabihin pa daw yung pangalan niya. So, yun, let's appreciate that person. Kung sino ka man, maraming salamat sa'yo, kapatid. Patuloy ka sana maging blessing sa lahat ng tao na sa paligid mo. Alright, so dumating na yung package. I-unbox lang natin siya. So, gagawin natin yung unboxing step by step. Okay? Tapos, ano yung mga gagamitin natin para buksan tong package na to. Okay, so ang mga kailangan natin ay 4 lang naman. Okay, lalo na ngayon sa panahon ng pandemic, we need 4 items. So, first, ang kailangan natin i-take note sa panahon ng pandemic at paano tayo magbubukas ng ating mga package. First is you have to get your mask. Okay? Put your mask on. And then next is alcohol. Yan. So, spray siya. Dati siyang pangharabas kong pabango pag lumalabas lang ako. And then you need scissors. And then you need blade. Blade ba tawag dito? Or cutter. Yan, cutter. Yan. So, syempre, before natin siya buksan, we have to sanitize it. Okay? Actually, matagal na siya nasa labas ng bahay. Siguro mga 2 hours. Tapos nag-spray na tayo doon. Pero syempre, we have to be careful din when accepting packages. So, let's put this one. And then alcohol. Here's the package! Hey! Saya!
A few moments later.
Okay. Spray natin yan. The more, the merrier. Yan. Okay. So, we just have to start unboxing it. Medyo mahirap. Yan. Spray tayo ulit. Kasi yung nasa loob din. Okay, let's open it. Ulitin ko ha. XIAOKAO. XIAOKAO. This is a mic, guys. First, we have to read our manual. Okay, so i-record siya. This is, meron siyang laptop or PC installation. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay kahit sa iPad or sa phone. Either you can sing. Actually, yung nagpadala nito, gusto niyang gawin kong una is kumanta ko. So, baka matupad na yung pagiging singer ko. Nasumali ako ng The Voice, sumali ako ng Idol Philippines. Let's see. Akong nakita ay wire. This is from phone. Tapos, yung headset at saka yung mic. Tapos, sumunod is we have what I've seen is a small mic and then kanyang jack. Yan. So, dito mo siya ilalagay papasok. Yan. Tapos, what we have here also is noise reduction ba to? Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung term ko. God, guys, this is my dream. Maging singer. This is my dream to be a singer. And then, the channel sound, this is gonna be yung volume niya. Tapos, dito ata isi-save yung audio. This one. is a, what's this? Mic stand? Ata? I'm not sure. Yan, tapos, yan. Mic joint. Parang, dito mo lalagay yung mic, tapos dito mo ilalagay. Ayan. Ayan na, guys. Another is this one. Dito siya sa table. Okay, aside mic, this is a mic cover. Okay. Mic cover siya, tapos this is a noise reduction. Yan na, guys. Come on, let's do this. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya. So, what we have here is, sabi, parang kung ba't parang magiging singer ako dito. So, let's see kung paano. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya buuin. Okay, I don't have any idea kung paano siya buuin, kung paano siya nagfa-function. So, we have to rely on the manual. So, hindi pwedeng search mo lang ulit sa internet, or we have to read our manual. And ganoon din sa totoong buhay natin, we really have to read our manual. Pagka hindi natin binasa yung manual natin, tayo mismo, ginawa tayo ng Diyos, diba? So, ang manual natin is Bible. Pag we don't read our Bible, we don't know anong identity natin, anong use natin, anong purpose natin, paano ba ito ginagamit, paano ba ito ginagawa. So, first thing, if you are receiving a package, read the manual. And sa life natin, we have our own manual also. So our manual is the Bible. So we can know what is our real identity, what is our purpose, ano yung vision and mission ng ating creator, bakit niya tayo ginawa. So ito, yung for sure yung creator nito, may purpose siya, bakit niya ito inimbento. Diba? Meron siyang purpose for this. Yun. So, hindi ko alam kung paano siya gawin, pero let's see kung paano ba siya gawin. So, this one, dyan siya, di ba? Tapos, you have to put this here, there, luwagan mo siya. Yan. Singer talaga yung target natin dito. Makakanta tayo. Maging tayo, Pinoy pop superstar. Yun talaga yung pangarap natin, guys. Wala kang mission sa'yo muna bago mo makuha yung pinakagusto mo, di ba? So we have to take note also. Kasi syempre, di ba? Yung una, iba, we want reward agad. But the end, sa dulo pa yung reward. So dito, there! And I am telling you, I'm not going. Oh, guys, ang ganda ng register ng mic, di ba? So guys, this is our mic na. Look at that. So we have our mic na. So just have to put it there lang. Tapos, we just have to speak. Tapos saririnig na niya. Tapos noise reduction na lang tayo. Thank you so much for our sponsor who bought this one for our vision and mission. Thank you so much. I hope the Lord will always bless you because you have a heart of a giver. You are so generous. Thank you so much. So we're done unboxing it. We will use it sa next vlog natin. It's when I'm writing down the content of this vlog. It was rushed, but you know, I asked the Lord anong wisdom ba yung malalabas natin dito, Lord, for this vlog. And He revealed to me two realizations. First is, we can use our lips by blessing others, by singing, by comforting them, using words of affirmation, by sharing wisdom, and a lot more. And I thank God that God gave us lips in order for us to speak and to express our love to other people. The second realization that I realized when unboxing this one, I can use also my lips or your lips to curse others. These lips also can destroy years of relationships. Even your credibility for 30 years, 20 years, 50 years, can be destroyed by these lips. And I want to remind everybody that God has given us parts of our bodies to bless others. Our hands, our feet, and every part of our body is a blessing. And I just want to give you a friendly reminder. In the book of Mark, chapter 9, verses 43 to 50, if your hands cause you to sin, if your feet cause you to sin, cut it off. For it's better to enter life without those, because it will cause us to sin. And in context of lips, I just want to give you a little wisdom from Solomon. In the book of Proverbs, chapter 10, verse 19, it says there, when words are many, transgression is not lacking, but whoever restrains his lips is prudent. Let's listen more. Let's process more before we speak. Na hindi tayo pangunahan ng emosyon, but we are here to listen to one another. That will be all for today, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat for liking, for sharing, and for subscribing. I hope you guys will invite and share this video to your friends, to your families. For those na gustong i-shout out for the next vlog, you can comment down. If you have any content that can really help other people na gusto nyong gawin ko, comment down below or message me. Maraming salamat mga kapatid. I really appreciate you. God bless you all. Bye!